everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So I am the one who will help you to automate your work smartly. So in today's video, I will show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your travel blog. So whether you are a travel blogger looking to guide your visitors better or just want to give the readers a better experience, then this one is for you. And the best part is no coding needed at all. So let's dive into my screen for creating your own chatbot.
Welcome to my screen. So in today's video, I will show you how you can create a chatbot for your travel blog by using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can think of this chatbot like your trip planning assistant, which can plan a trip for your customers, provide them the place of their interest, and provide the travel blogs created by you and help you to enhance your business. Now I will show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp. Now you can see I have opened my WhatsApp. And now I'm going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let's type a message hello. Now you can see as soon as I have sent it the message, I am getting an automated welcome message that is, hey explorer, welcome to XYZ travel blog, your go-to space for travel inspiration, hidden gems and smart travel hacks. What would you like today? And I am getting 3 buttons, that is read travel blogs, travel tips and hacks, and third is contact me. Now let's check what will happen if I click on read travel blog. As I clicked on read travel blogs, I am getting a message consisting of some travel stories. First is trek to Kedarnath, and second is go beyond beaches, and third is 7 days in Thailand. And now I can choose whatever stories I want to read. For that, I am choosing the first story, that is trek to Kedarnath. As soon as I have selected the first story, I am getting a PDF consisting of the travel stories, that is trek to Kedarnath. Now let's check what will happen if I clicked another option, that is travel tips and hacks. As soon as I am selecting travel tips and hacks, I am getting a message consisting of a list. Let's open this list. Here you can see I am getting list with some of the items, that is packing hacks, money saving tips, safety tips and travel apps I recommend. Now let's select packing hacks. As soon as I am selecting packing hacks, I am getting a message consisting of some of the hacks which a customer can use for packing. Now let's again open this list and choose another option, that is money saving tips. As soon as I am selecting money saving tips, I am getting a message consisting of the tips which we can use for saving money during a trip. Now let's again open the list and check another option, that is safety tips. As soon as I am selecting the safety tips, I am getting a message consisting of the tips which we can use for our safety during traveling. Now let's see what will happen if we have selected another option, that is contact me. As soon as I am selecting contact me, I am getting a message consisting of the email, Instagram handle, YouTube channel and the blog site and the location. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this by using Pabbly Chatflow for your business. For that, you have to use Pabbly Chatflow. For using Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. As you enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly. Here you are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, and if you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in. Once you sign up your account on Pabbly, you will get this page, and here you can see these apps which are provided by Pabbly. But for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow, and here we are getting the option for Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, we are getting this button access now. So just click on access now. After accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you can see we are in the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I have already added a WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking here, that is add WhatsApp number. And on the sidebar here you can see many features which are provided by Pabbly. Firstly, we are getting the inbox section. This is the place where we receive and send message to our customers or the users. And the next one is contact. Here you can add your contacts. And the next one is team queues. Here you can create your own team for managing the chatbot. And the next one here is templates. You can create your own templates by using template section. And the next one is broadcast. You can broadcast your own messages by using broadcast section. And the next one is flows. Flows are basically the path which are followed by our WhatsApp chatbot. And now for creating our chatbot, we are going to use flows. And the next section is settings. Here you can manage your settings according to your will. And the next we are getting get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click on get help. Now for creating a chatbot, we need to access flows. For that, just click on flows. After clicking on flows, you can see the flow builder page will appear in front of you. And here you can see I have created many flows. For creating your own flow, you just need to click on add flow. After clicking on add flow, now you are in the new flow builder page. Here you can see you are getting a flow start node here. And if you want to change the name of your flow, you can just edit it here. Here I am providing it the name travel blog chatbot. You can also provide name to your flow according to your will. And on the flow start node, we are getting the option for entering keywords. So what is keyword? Keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. And the next we are getting the rejects. Rejects are basically the complex keyword which a user can enter. And the next option we are getting here is choose template. You can also add template to your flow start node by selecting the option choose template. Now in the keyword section, I am going to enter two keywords, that is hi and hello. You can see I have entered a keyword that is hi. Now I am going to enter the another keyword that is hello. Now I am going to enter some rejects. Here I am going to enter rejects such as travel, destination and blog. Here you can see I have entered three rejects, that is travel, blog and destination. You can also enter your rejects like this. If a user enters some message, now I am going to send them a welcome message. For that you just have to drag and drop here. You can see you are getting many options, that is text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and template. For just sending a message, you just have to click on text plus button. Once you get this message node, you can enter your message here and can also create the buttons by choosing add button. Now I am going to enter a welcome message for my user. Here I have entered a welcome message for my user, that is hey explorer, welcome to XYZ travel blog, your go-to space for travel inspiration, hidden gems and smart travel hacks. What would you like today? Now I'm going to create some buttons. For that, just select add button. Now here, after selecting add button, the first button I am going to create is read travel blog. Now I'm going to create another button. For that, just click on add button. Now I have created another button, that is travel tips and hacks. Now I'm going to create another button, that is contact us. Here you can see I have successfully entered a welcome message for my user and created three buttons, that is read travel blogs, travel tips and hacks and contact us. Now if a user selects read travel blog, I want to send them a message consisting of the stories or blogs which they can read. For that, I will just drag and drop and enter a message. For that, I will choose text plus button. As you can see, a message node has appeared in front of me. Now I am going to enter a message here. I have entered a message consisting of the stories which my user can read. For that, I am going to create some buttons also. So let's create buttons for every story. For creating a button, you just have to click on add button. Now you have to enter the text of the button. I have created a button named 1. Now I am going to create another button, that is 2, for the second story, that is go beyond beaches. For that, you just have to click on add button. I have created second button also. Now I am going to create the third button for my third story, that is 7 days in Thailand. You can see here I have successfully entered the message and have created 3 buttons. Now if a user select the first story, I want to provide them the story in the form of a document. For that, I will just select the first button and drag and drop here. Here you can see I am getting the option for the media. Now I am going to select the media here. Once you selected the media, you have to select the media type here. Here you can select any media type, image, document, video or audio. But for providing the blog stories, I am going to select the media type as document. Now here we have to paste the URL of the document which we want to provide to our user, or we can just simply drag and drop the file here. You can see I have a document named Trek to Kedarnath. Now I am going to drag this file and drop this file on the message node. As I have dropped the file here, I have already got the URL of the file. Here you can enter the caption for the document. Now if a user select tips and hacks, now I am going to provide some tips and hacks to my user. For that, I will just drag and drop. Now here I am going to provide them the list of the tips and hacks they can use for traveling. For that, I am going to use the list. Here you can see we are getting the option for the list. So just choose the list. You can see this is the list node which is appeared. Here we have to create our own list. You can provide the header for this list. You can provide the body for the list. Now I am going to provide some header and body for our list. Here I have entered a header and entered the body for my list. Now I am going to add the items in the list. For that I will just select add section. Now here it is asking me to enter the title. Now I am going to enter a title here. Here you can see I have entered the title tips and hacks. Now for providing the list you just have to add the items. Just click on add items and enter the title of the items you want to provide. For that firstly I am going to enter the title here as packing hacks. The first title I have provided is packing hacks. Now I am going to provide another title that is money saving hack. For that I will just click on add items. Here we have successfully entered our second title that is money saving hack. Now I am going to enter the third title that is safety tips. For that you just have to click on add items and add your third title. Here you can see we have successfully created our list consisting of packing hacks, money saving hack and safety tips. Now if a user select packing hacks, now I want to provide them some packing hacks. For that I will just drag and drop. Now I am going to enter a message for my user. For that I will just select text plus button. Here you can see a message note has appeared in front of us. Now I am going to enter a message, or you can see I am going to enter the packing hacks which I want to provide to my user. Here I have provided some of packing hacks for my user. Now if a user select money saving hack, then I want to provide some hacks to them. For that I will just drag and drop. Now I am going to select the text plus button for entering a message to my user. Once you select text plus button, a message node will appear in front of you. Now here you can write your message. Now I have entered money saving hack for my user in the form of message. Now if a user select safety tips, now I want to provide them some safety tips. For that I will just drag and drop. Now I am going to provide them some safety tips in the form of message. For that I will just select text plus button. Now you can see a message node has appeared in front of us. Now I am going to type the message. I have entered some safety tips in the form of message here. Now if a user select contact us, then I want to provide them our contact details. For that I will just drag and drop and select here text plus button so that I can provide my contact details in the form of messages. Here you can see a message node has appeared in front of me. Now I am going to enter my contact details in this message. Here I have entered my contact details. We have successfully created our flow. Now for saving our flow, we just have to click on save button. As you click on save button, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully. Means you have successfully saved your flow. You can also create a chatbot by using Chatflow for your business purpose. Let's check our inbox that how we are receiving or sending the messages to our user. For that you just have to click on inbox. Here you can see we are successfully receiving the messages from our user and our messages are successfully sent or delivered to our users. You can also create your own chatbot like this. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.